Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Hyperwallet. First, understand that this integration streamlines your payout process, allowing you to receive funds efficiently. You'll learn the initial steps required to link these two powerful financial tools, ensuring a smooth setup. This connection offers significant benefits, simplifying how you manage and access your earnings from various platforms. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started today. To begin linking your accounts, log into your Hyperwallet portal. Once inside, navigate to the Transfer Methods or Withdrawal section, typically found in your account settings. Here, you will select PayPal from the available payout options. Carefully enter your PayPal account details, including the email address associated with your PayPal account, ensuring accuracy to prevent any transfer issues. This step is crucial for a successful connection. After entering your details, you'll need to verify the connection. This often involves a confirmation email sent to your PayPal-associated email address or a prompt within your PayPal account itself. Review any security notifications and complete all required verification steps promptly. Double-check that all information is correct to avoid delays in your first transfer. Initial transfers might take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours to process fully. Once connected, you can manage your payouts by setting up automatic transfers or initiating manual withdrawals as needed. Regularly monitor your transaction history in both your Hyperwallet and PayPal accounts to track your funds. Should any issues arise, don't hesitate to contact the support teams for Hyperwallet or PayPal. Be mindful of potential transaction limits, which can vary, and any associated fees, typically a small percentage, to ensure smooth financial operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.